Hey everybody, it's Neon. If you have a themed garage or something like that and you want a cool looking light, this one here is a disc brake looking light. And I'll show you what it looks like here. Oop, dropped the wire for it. But let's go ahead and take this out here and pick it up. So that's where it is. And this is what it looks like here. It looks like a disc brake. And here will be the stand for it there. The wire will plug into the side. Okay, and then for right now is here it comes with a USB regular plug. I have a battery pack I'm going to plug it into. And okay, so there we go, it's plugged in. And now how to turn this one on. Not sure exactly how it turns on, or if this even battery pack works. Let me go charge my battery pack. I'll be right back. Okay, got it charged, and the way, I don't know if you can tell, here, I'm gonna aim you guys into some darker area of the room because they have all these studio lights. Can't get too far. Okay, so here we are in a slightly darker area, and now you can probably see it getting bright. So it lights up here. This room is very bright. But you see, you can light it up by tapping this little button here. So how cool is that? So if you need a good looking brake light, it'd be a good night light if you have a kid who has a automotive themed room or in a garage outside or something like that. Just kind of looks cool. Even at a workshop or if you do a repair shop or something like that, you could have this, and it's just on a little stand, and it just looks cool. So looks like a brake disc. So there we go. Very cool. Thumbs up. One more thing I want to say is it's not even plugged in now, and it works because it's got a battery in it. It just needed to be charged. So very cool. Awesome.